Google is more than just a search engine. It's also a powerful platform that offers numerous opportunities to make money online. From advertising to content creation, there are countless ways to monetize your skills and knowledge using Google's tools and services. In this video, we will explore some of the best ways to make money on Google, from creating and monetizing a YouTube channel to using AdSense to earn revenue from your website or blog. We'll also look at other options like Google Opinion Rewards, Google Play, and Google for Jobs. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a content creator, or simply looking for ways to earn extra income, Google has something for you. With its vast user base and reputation for innovation, Google can help you reach new audiences and achieve financial success. 1. Google AdSense. Google AdSense is one of Google's popular programs that lets bloggers and website owners make money by running tailored ads on their websites. The website owner receives a share of the money when users click these ads. A website or blog can be profitable with AdSense, which can also be used with other monetization strategies. First, you must register for an account and install the AdSense code on your website to begin using AdSense. Google will display suitable adverts on your website when it has been approved based on the content you have on it and the demographics of your visitors. The more visitors your site receives, the more money you can make from AdSense. The key to increasing your AdSense earnings is to produce high-quality content that draws traffic to your website. For your content to appear high in search results, you should also optimize your website for search engines. Once again, the more people that visit your website, the more money you will make through AdSense. 2. Google Ads. Google Ads is an online advertising platform that allows businesses to design and display adverts on YouTube, other websites, and Google search results pages. Ads have a pay-per-click, PPC, business model, so advertisers only pay when users click on their ads. Generally, to profit from Google Ads, you need to do the following: create an account, set up an ad campaign, pick relevant keywords, place bids on them, produce high-quality ads, and track your results. You may also charge other companies a fee for your services and provide them with ads management services. Test and improve your ad campaigns frequently to get the most out of Google Ads. 3. Google Opinion Rewards. This survey app is created so users can do quick surveys and get Google Play credits. These surveys are typically related to recent purchases, experiences, or preferences and can be completed in just a few minutes. Once a survey is conducted, the user earns a certain amount of Google Play credits, which can be used to purchase apps, games, books, music, and other digital content from the Google Play Store. To make money on Google Opinion Rewards, download the app, set up your profile, and complete short surveys to earn Google Play credits. These credits can then be used to purchase digital content from the Google Play Store. This is an excellent way to get paid for something you might already be doing, i.e., answering surveys. 4. Google Affiliate Network. Google Affiliate Network allows bloggers and website owners to make money by promoting products and services on their websites. The affiliate is compensated when customers click on a link and buy anything. If done properly, affiliate marketing is a popular source of revenue for websites and blogs. To begin affiliate marketing, you must open an affiliate network account, such as ShareASale or Commission Junction. Then, you can pick from a range of goods and services to advertise on your website. A special affiliate link that you can use to monitor clicks and sales will be provided to you. Making money with affiliate marketing on your website or blog can be profitable. You can create a profitable affiliate marketing business and bring in a consistent cash flow by picking a niche, signing up for pertinent affiliate programs, pushing products on your website, increasing traffic, and keeping track of your progress. 5. YouTube Partner Program. To join the YouTube Partner Program, content creators must meet certain requirements. The most important one is to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Additionally, creators must abide by YouTube's community standards and terms of service. Once a creator enters the program, they can start charging for their videos by establishing a connection between their YouTube and AdSense accounts. This means they can display ads on their videos, and a portion of the money made from ad clicks goes to the owner. Content producers can monetize their YouTube channels and profit from their videos through the Google YouTube Partner Program. Creators may establish a lucrative YouTube business and a reliable source of income by producing interesting content, advertising their channel, and tracking results. 6. Google Web Search Evaluator. A web search evaluator is responsible for evaluating the quality and relevance of search engine results for Google. The goal of the evaluator is to make sure that user-friendly and accurate search engine results are provided. If you are hired, you will typically be trained to assess search engine results using a set of guidelines and criteria. Following registration and training, you can evaluate search engine results and offer feedback on their relevance and quality. Most web search evaluator positions are hourly based, and the pay varies by organization and area. The hourly wage you could expect is between $10 and $20. In summary, working for Google as a web search evaluator can be flexible and rewarding. You can make money by helping to raise the standard and usefulness of search engine results for users. 7. SEO Consultant. As a search engine optimization (SEO) consultant, you can work with clients to assist them in enhancing their SEO strategies and obtaining better positions in Google search results. Offering your services to clients who want to raise their page rankings on Google and other search engines will undoubtedly earn you a living. Businesses and individuals who want to improve their website organic traffic can hire you as an SEO consultant. You can do this in many ways, e.g., by auditing websites, improving content and building backlinks. Additionally, you can provide businesses and individuals who want to learn more about SEO with training and educational materials through channels such as online classes, webinars, and live workshops. Google is a versatile and powerful platform that offers numerous opportunities to earn money online. By leveraging its various tools and services as highlighted above, anyone can start earning money on Google. The key is understanding the platform's various features and how to use them effectively to monetize your skills and knowledge.